So you want to end up finding this length. Okay, so in order to do that, let's try to figure out what these two are. Okay, so Kn, in order to find Kn, notice that we have this 36 degrees. This is our hypotenuse and this is our adjacent. So cosine of 36 degrees will be the adjacent over the hypotenuse, which is Kn. Right, now if I cross multiply by switching these two, right, then I can get Kn is equal to 50 over cos of 36. Okay. And now for NL, right, this side here, according to this 47, this is our hypotenuse, and this is our adjacent. So we do the same thing. Cosine of 47 degrees is going to equal to 35 over the hypotenuse NL. So again, cross multiplying this, right, just by flipping these two, you can get that NL is equal to 35 over cos 47. Okay, so if you want to find KL, all you have to do is use Pythagorean theorem here, right? So KL is going to be Kn squared plus NL squared, right? But square rooted. Okay, so plugging in for Kn being this and NL being this, you get the following answer.